guys, I'm Jakin.
And I'm Ezekiel. Guys, today we're actually at the Freedom Fest at Fort Carson. Today we're going to be walking around speaking to some vendors and asking them about their business and how they got started.
Hey guys, today I'm here with Mr. David, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his business. So how'd you get started, sir?
Well, I started with a cooler, barbecue grill, and a canopy. I started at 6 farmers markets. In 6 months, I had to quit all 6 of them because I started getting discovered by other promoters out there. We are in our 9th year, and it has just grown and grown and grown each year. So, I was the entrepreneur because I didn't have a background in food. So I took a chance, just like all entrepreneurs do, a grill, cooler, and a canopy. And I started cooking what I like to eat. And I tell anybody in the food industry, do what you like. Cook the food that you like to cook, that you like to eat, because you will put more passion in it. And when you enjoy doing something, you do it with passion. Okay? But for anybody starting in the business, I'll give you a prime example. We started doing lemonade this year, and it's boosted our business by 15%. 15. Just alone here yesterday, we did 200 lemonades, and that's $6 a piece. And lemonade is not my mainstream; it's food. Yeah, so we do Kahlua pig, just like we do in Hawaii, teriyaki chicken, fried fish. Everything is made from scratch. We average 150 pounds of pork a week, 80 pounds of chicken. This event alone is probably combined over 600 pounds of food. Matter of fact, and we ran out last night. So, for those entrepreneurs out there, do what your heart tells you. Whether you want to do popcorn, lemonade, ice cream, something that you are passionate. And if you like it, you're going to do the best job you can.
Thank you, sir.
All right.